guys, it's Mish from Jinhang Lighting at the Moorabbin branch. Just wanted to share with you guys this coming Monday we will be celebrating the launch of our new brand DGT with the release of their track lighting range. The track lights offer a tremendous amount of flexibility in configuring your lighting systems. You're able to direct the light where you need to create spotlights, task lights, or even ambient lighting. Track lighting is perfect for use in stores and galleries, but it can also highlight the various architectural features in your home. DGT track lights are extremely versatile. You can use it in any location to add illumination without taking up too much space. It won't look out of place no matter where you choose to put it, and the multiple fixture possibilities provides a significant amount of illumination. Our track lights come in 5 wattage options, so different strengths of light that you can choose from, all different applications. They all come in a gorgeous warm white and they're all dimmable. They are high quality and cost effective with a CRI of 90. The lights also have 90-degree movement on the axis Y and 360-degree movement on the axis X. Pre-ordering starts on the 18th of November for shipments expected early December. Just in time for Christmas. Get in quick because we will sell out. Thanks guys.